Okay, dear class, today we learn to divide fractions. And when we divide fraction, you just remember dividing fraction is a reciprocal operation of multiplying fraction. It's too much complicate a word. It's exactly the same as multiply fraction, just upside down. Now I explain it. When we do sports, on your mark, set, go. This is the process. What do I mean on your mark? You make the team into two teams, top team and bottom team. So I will rewrite exactly the same thing. I didn't change anything because there is an equation sign. I do not change anything. Divide, first number copy, second number copy, the operation copy and copy the same number, but I copy it in a different way. 5 is 5 over 1, right? This is put everything on its mark. Now, set is upset. First number, never, ever, ever, never change. The second number, flip it up, bottom up. Bottom to the top to the bottom. Bottom to the top, and multiply. Now you know, right? Top times time, tops time top, bottom times bottom. 1 over 10, and that is the result. So first, put everything in place. This one is already everything in place. We just need to upside down it. 1 over 5, first number, never, ever, ever, never change. Second number, flip it up. Flip it up. Times, you time. Multiply and time, it's the opposite operation. Opposite operation. 2 over 1. Now you can do it. 1 times 2, 2. 5 times 1, 5. And that is the result. This one is a little bit complicated. What do we do? First, make the mixed number into improper fraction. I do not change anything. The first number, 3 at the bottom, 3 3得9加1 10. And still I copy exactly the same thing. Maybe you are good, but hold on, bear with me. We do step by step. 6 at the bottom, 5 6 30加1 31. And now what do? We flip it over. Still, this is an equation. First number, copy it exactly the same first number. And the second number, change the sign from division into multiplication and flip it up. Flip it up. 31 becomes bottom. 6 becomes top. That is good. We can even simplify. We can even cross cancel. Both divided by 3. So the result is 20 over 31. Right? Easy, simple. Okay, if we divide multiple number, not only one number. Question number 4. 2分之1除以3分之2除以4分之3除以 What do we do with this? So this is already perfect number. We do not need to change anything. We do one at a time. First number, never ever change. The second number, whenever you see this fraction sign, you flip it over. Times 2 over 3. And this, we need to flip it over because it's a division sign. Change into multiply sign. flip it over, 3 at the bottom, 4 on top. And this one, we want to change into multiplication, and flip the number. 5 on top, 6 on 5 on bottom, 6 on top. Now we see it. We can do cross cancel. 3 and 3 get out. 2 and 4, 1, 2. 2 and 2 get out. 1. So we see the last number standing. 1 times 1 times 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 times 1 times 5 is 5. It's an improper fraction change into a mixed number. 1 and 1 over 5. Okay, so the last one, we will do it even more complicated. 2又2分之一除以3又3分之一除以4又4分之一. It just the number pop up to my mind. So let's see. First, change everything into improper fraction. 2 over 5. Now we only change this number. We do not change sign. Because we do 2 things at a time, it might be too complicated. So 3 on bottom, 3 3得9加1得10. And we do not change sign at this moment, not yet ready. 4 on the bottom, 4 4 16加1 17. Okay, so we make it into only 2 teams. Now we will do change sign. When we change multiplication sign to, when we change division sign to multiplication, we need to flip it over. 10 on bottom, 3 on top. And this one, we want to change the sign, right? So 17 on bottom, 4 on top. And that is it. So actually, we can do 20, 20 cross cancel. But I will be honest, I will do it slowly. Divided by 5, 2, and 1. Divided by 2, 2, and 1. 2, 2. Divided by 2, 1, and 1. So it becomes, on top, 3 is the last one standing. On bottom, 17 is the last one standing. And that is the result. Thank you very, very much. Once you know how to do multiplication, make sure everything is prepared, in place, ready, upset, go. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do.